Food Safety Administration, Directorate of Health Services, Manipur amadi National Sports University, Imphal na senduna World Food Safety Day, lisangani kunngataruki thauram ngasi pangthokre. Malemgi oina food contamination amadi food poisoning na maram oiraga miyoi kaya sidiba sibak mipainingai ni. Food safety ki protocol asi COVID-19 da chatna ki health hygiene protocol adugumna chatna ba matam oire haina National Sports University Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Daljit Singh Chaudhary na phongdokre. Kumalampakta laiba National Sports University ki multipurpose hall da From Burden to Solution Food Safety Everywhere haiba thim da pangthokiba World Food Safety Day thauram aduga mari lainana National Sports University ki Vice Chancellor Daljit Singh Chaudhary na hai clean namadi safe oiba food fangba asi basic human right amani. World Health Organization WHO aduga FAO gi data gi matung inna food related diseases na maram oiraga kanba yaba miyoi kaya food contamination amadi food poisoning na maram oiraga sibagi chang wangli. Food contamination na maram oiraga nupi angang yauna miyoi ba kunai da chawna chaitheng piri. Health issue kaya thokali state productivity amadi economy da chawna chaitheng piri. Tangai fodana strict oiba safety protocol follow tawba darkar oi. Food safety amadi afaba chinjak miyam da fanghanbagi tangai fodabagi matang da educator amadi scientist singya chawba thodang lai haike. Ngasigi thauram aduga mari lainana spelling bee competition da athoi hen taraklaba singda mana piduna ikai khumna budke.
We shouldn't forget that during COVID time, the number of times we used to wash our hands, how we used to prevent ourselves from others so that we are spared of the infection. Similarly, that kind of a discipline is required, that kind of a protocol is required to defend ourselves and defend our children, protect ourselves and protect our children from the diseases. So this is very important. The same protocol, the same strictness is required. Now, we all know that food is our basic human right, a good clean food. So we should always, as we have taken the pledge today, we should work on it as educators, as scientists, as teachers. And using this platform, we should always strive to foster a society where we get access to food which is absolutely safe to consume.